I have mountains of gear everywhere, all through the house. Food and kitchen stuff. I'm just waiting for the call, and then I get to go pick it up. Ah! There it is! Well, I've made a cup of tea, and I've done a little cleaning, and I've done a little unpacking, adding some personal touch. Hey Dre. It's starting to really feel like home in here. Good morning. Well, it has arrived. Day one. This morning, I swear there's no excitement, there's only terror. The last 5 days have been a whirlwind of loading gear and trying out everything on the camper. There's been a couple of hiccups, and when I get back, I'm going to be adding some wonderfully expensive coil spring airbags to my truck in order to have a little less sway while I'm driving down the highway. It was certainly a lot of fun these last few days getting to know the camper, doing things like removing my canopy and stuffing it in my tiny little shop. It's definitely been a whirlwind and quite the interesting build-up to today. And now everything's loaded, everything's ready, everything's been checked and double checked. And thankfully tonight I will be driveway surfing, so I'll have a friendly face at the end of my first day, someone to have a bite to eat with, and I can sleep in the driveway. And they are just outside of Salmon Arm, rural. It'll be really pretty, and hopefully I can pick up some fruit and fresh veggies in the Shuswap and the Okanagan, and from there we will head into a more remote part of BC. Stay tuned. I think it's going to be lots of fun.